Grabe. Breakfast. Nabit kami ha. Sayang. Pero okay lang.
Bukas po
Pa.
pala epekto ng
Kaya,
iPhone 17.
ayan ang aking mga kapatid. Ayan ang aking sister Rapas na ano. At ito ang bunso namin si Victoria. Kaya ito na. Kakain na kami. Kaya, that's it. Come on.
Nay, saan daw tayo pupunta nun?
Ha?
Vlog to vlog.
For now, we're going to meeting place dahil mag-island hopping ng mga kapatid.
Ay, showing!
May na pintuod ah.
Yes! Ay, ang gaganda. Ano ba yun? Ah, cute. One, ay!
Check your energy first. So hi! Hello! One more time, guys. Make it louder. Hi! Hello! Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the newest island hopping boat here in Boracay, the Red Wave. But before we start, guys, let me ask you first where you came from. So let's start from this table. So tell me where you came from, okay? In 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Yeah!
Tell me where you came from. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Make some noise!
Ayan, welcome to Red Wave Sliding Area. And then, 1, 2, 3. Okay, say hi, sir. Ay, ma'am. Okay. And 1, 2, 3. Dulas na yan! Dulas na yan! Ayaw talaga, ayaw. Ito na, ready? In 1. Say hi muna. Yan, okay. Okay, ready? Jump. 1, 2, 3. Ganda ng talon yan. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, say hi muna. Yan, mamaya na. Okay, Laila, ready? Okay, ready. Luloy. Sige, ma'am, nandito ako, ma'am. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Tutulak ka. Sige, sige. 3. Sige, tuloy mo lang. Ayaw, ayaw mo. Diba na, ayaw.
Starbucks lang yun. Natakot ako. Nakakatakot eh.
Sige!
Sige. Oh, ang ganda ng kuha ko dito. 1, 2, 3.
Okay lang, nakatalon ka naman. Hi! Hi ka muna rito. 1, 2, sabi ko wala pa. Na rito. Ay, nice one. Susubukan niya na. Okay, yan na 1, 2, 3. Sikat ka na nga, yan ano masasabi mo? Okay. Nice. Hey, ano 1, 2, 3. Ayan po, pasensyahan nyo na po lumubog yung barkong sinasakyan nila. Ayan po, sa lahat po ng barkong lumubog, sila lang ang masaya. Ayan, palutang-lutang mo sila. Ayan, lalo na po yung babae na yan, o yan. Yan, may tawa.
Hi. Nagpe-prepare pa si ma'am. Saan na tayo?
Dito tayo sa Crystal. Basta Crystal. Ayan, tawa ka
Ah, ganda. Ah.
Okay. Wow, from India? Wow. Tingin, tingin. Oy, India nga. Oh, hello mamo, saan ka na? I-vlog mo sila.
Okay. We're here at the Crystal Cove. Si Toto.
Ano?
Tawagin niya sa Red Wave. Saka si CJ. Ang babaet sa Red Wave.
Ah, pati.
Ay, wala akong ticket.
Doon ako.
Sisikat ka rin. To.
Oh.
Si Indian. Indian Toto.
Hindi po, ma'am. You can swim there.
Wow, Englishero talaga siya. Englishero mo na.
Then we are proceeding here in Cove 1. So we have only 20 minutes here. And then after 20 minutes, we proceeding at Cove 2. After Cove 2, another 20 minutes, we go back here.
Ah, okay.
Then we go back to lunch. Okay?
Lawan.
So by the way, we are your tour guide here in Crystal Cove. So you need to do is to follow us. Okay?
Okay.
Very bitter. Grabe, mga dog show. Nagda-dog show lang sila eh. Wala na, i-report ko na to. Ang daming hinanap na anyong tubig.
Ayan, para sa you can
Nakita mo, ma'am, na?
you can put your life jacket here. Ayan. Tapos yung mga gamit hindi nyo gagamitin, pwede nyo iwan. Nandito naman po sila.
Lagi na ganyan niya si Mami ah. Wow! Kamusta naman po ang mansyon? Wow! Yes! Dapat kasi libre mo ito. Paldo. Unang vlog, ano agad? Sim. Ayun na yung ano.
Maria Elena Bautista. Okay, where are you, ma'am? Please stand up. Please stand up. And go outside of your table. Come on. Okay, so we have dancers here, CJ. You're entertaining, Mom Elena. Come on. Okay, everybody, are you ready? Okay, music.
Ay, sige, Toto! Oo. Wow.
Wow.
Kain
Ito
na
ang
po.
mga food ng Red Wave. Ang sasarap. Tikman natin lahat para ma-feel natin na talagang perfect ang Red Wave.
Wow.
Puro siya na lang. Lalaglag na kasi. Ito yung tahong meron.
Day by day we push away, never stop, we find our way. Move so fast, we make it last. Chasing time, it's running past. We race the sun, no time to stray. Burning bright, we light the day. Through the fire, come what may. Keep the rhythm all the way. Clocks tick loud, the world won't wait. Every step decides our fate. Hearts on fire, no room for doubt. In this race, we're breaking out. We race the sun, no time